going to show you how to manage your Dropbox space. So if we go to Manage Staff area, manage your online Dropbox space, it will then bring you this page. As you can see, this is a list of all of the Dropbox files that are currently in School Spider. At the bottom here, this is a list of teachers that have been registered and that have uploaded to School Spider using the Dropbox. So as you can see, these are the files that these teachers have uploaded. When you log in yourself, up here where it says your Dropbox files will be the ones you have uploaded. On the right hand side, this is where you add the files. So if you click browse your file, it will bring up your documents. You can add it to a folder. You can also add a new folder, and you can also make the Dropbox files public or private. If you make them private, only you can view them and they won't show up in the list down here. If you make them public, then they will. Once someone presses onto the blue plus, they will be down here.